Good morning, student. Today we are starting relation and function. Let us start. What is the relation and function? Firstly, we have to understand about the Cartesian product. Okay, what is the Cartesian product? I am telling about the Cartesian product of the set. If A and B are two given set, then the set of all ordered pair x y such that the first member x belongs to A, okay, and the second member y belongs to B is called the Cartesian product of set A and B. It is denoted by A cross B in symbol A cross B in bracket x comma y, x belongs to A and y belongs to B. अब इसको कैसे समझेंगे? Let us take an example. If we have A, the elements of A is 1, 2, 3 and B, the elements of B is 4 and 5, then A cross B. A cross B, I know the first element is y and x, the first element is x and second element is y. X belongs to A. It means the first element from A, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, then 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. This is A cross B. This is the A cross B Cartesian product. If we are taking B cross A, then we have first letter, yani first element, the first element of B. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. This is called Cartesian product of the set. Is it okay? Now, if we are taking a question, if G 7 8 and H 5 4 2, find G cross H and H cross G. Here the value of G is equal to 7 8 and H is equal to 5 4 2. Then we have to Cartesian product G comma G cross H is equal to 7 5, 7 5, 7 4 and 7 2. Now next 8 5, 8 4, 8 2. Same as it is if we are taking H first and G is second, H comma G, then 5 7, 5 8, 4 7, 4 8, 2 7, 2 8. This is the cross product. As it is, if we are taking another question, A, it is given A, B and C and D are given, then verify the value of A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection of A cross C. Firstly, we are taking B intersection C, it is a 5 because there is no element of A and C, B and C are same, so no common, and B intersection C is 5. Now multiply in cross product A cross B intersection C. Firstly, we have to write A, the value of A 1 2 1 2 cross 5. It is given only 5. This is the equation 1. Now next part is A cross B. We are taking A cross B, giving the element of the A cross B and as well as A cross C, giving the element. Now intersection of A cross B and A cross C, this is also 5. Now from equation 1 and 2, it is clear that they are equal. Then it is the verification of the value. Okay. Now the next is relation. The concept of relation. In a simple language, the word relation means an association of two objects like that. Example, A is the son of B. The relation is here is the son of. Same as it is, C is member of Hindu society. What is the relation? Is a member of. It is the relation, means the Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Then is the capital of is the relation between two things, Bhopal and Madhya Pradesh. Is capital of, then the relation is capital of. Same as it is 3 is less than 4. Here the relation R is less than 4. Okay. The word R implies intuitively a correspondence of two objects, two persons, two ideas. Okay. According to the same property possessed by them, means हम किन्हीं दो लोगों को, दो चीज़ों को रिलेट करने के लिए जो भी वैल्यू यूज़ करते हैं वो कहलाता है रिलेशन. अब इसको हम लोग कॉन्सेप्ट, मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट में कैसे लिखेंगे? मैथमेटिकल कॉन्सेप्ट में लिखने के लिए अ रिलेशन फ्रॉम ए सेट ए टू सेट बी इज़ द सबसेट ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी. इट इज़ द ऑर्डर पेयर ऑफ set A to set B. If A comma B is the element of set R, we write A relation B. It is written as like this. Symbolic form A, it means A is the relation R to B. A का relation जो है वो R के through B से हो रहा है. This is the symbolic form to the explain the relation. Then how it is used in a question, let us start. Now if I am giving an example like that, it is a x be the first component and y is the second component. We have x is lesser than y. How we are taking x than lesser than y? I am going to start this relation A 1 3 5. A into A, this is our component. These components are applied in this form. If we are taking x is lesser than y, then the pair is 1 3 1 5 3 5. 1 3 3 5 1 5. This is the relation R1, which is the subset. Same, if we are taking the same element, then 1 2 1 3 5 1 3 5 A and A में. This is the second part of the relation of the function. If we are taking x is greater than y, the relation x R3y, it means x value is greater than y. It means R1, R2, R3 is the subset of this. Then after we are taking the domain and range of the relation. The domain of a relation is the set of all first component of the order pair of the relation. Range, the range of a relation is the set of all second component of the relation. It means domain R subset of A and range is subset of B. For example, let us see if we are taking now the whole set of B is called codomain. How it is compulsory? How it is possible? Let us start. If A and B are two sets and the relation are these 1A, 1C, 2B, 3A, then the domain is the first element of relation 1, 2, 3 and the range is second component, second element of R. R means this A, B and C. Okay. So this is the domain, range and codomain. What is the inverse relation? The relation R is said to be in x and y. It is the symbolic form x belongs to A and y belongs to B. If the inverse, the order pair should be changed, y x and y belongs to B and x belongs to B. Same as it is the domain of R inverse, that is the range, and range of R inverse is domain. Like that, this is the A and R, A and B and R. Then R inverse, पहले R निकालेंगे फिर इनका इन्वर्स कर देंगे. इन्वर्स मतलब 1A, यहाँ पर B और 3 था 3B हो जाएगा, C1 था 1C हो जाएगा, C2 था तो 2C हो जाएगा. इज इट ओके? तो इसी तरीके से हम इनके इन्वर्स निकाल लेंगे। तो देख रहे हैं, अब हमने क्या किया, डोमेन ऑफ इन्वर्स, अब इसका डोमेन लिखेंगे तो 1 3 2 यानी 1 2 3 1 2 3, और इसमें क्या था, डोमेन इसका था 1 2 3, तो डोमेन रेंज में बदल जाता है और रेंज डोमेन में बदल जाएगा। इज इट ओके टू एवरीवन? ओके। Let us start one question. If A is equal to 1 2 3 14, define a relation R from A to A R x y 3x minus y equal to 0, where x y belongs to A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. Here A, the value of A is given, that relation 3x minus 0, then range, then relation is 1 3 2 6 3 9 and 4 12. The domain is 1 2 3 4. Codomain is the value of A, all the values, and range 3 6 9 12. Okay, same as it is. The next question is, determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R x x plus 5, x belongs to 0 1 2 3 4 5. Then we are putting the value, then R is equal to 0 5 1 6 2 7 3 8 4 9 5 10, putting the value of x and x plus 5. The domain of R 0 1 2 3 4 5 and range is 5 6 7 8 9 10. Is it okay to everyone? Now same as it is, we are finding the range and domain.